Wait 2 more minutes. The first one, tell me about yourself. Next one, okay. Myself Ganesh having 7+ years of total IT experience. Currently working in IT. Okay. Roles and responsibilities are installing, installation manager, and VAS configurations. VAS configurations. Okay. Next, creating the profiles and clusters, cluster mechanism. Third one, very much interesting to create the data source in dev, set, pat, and prod environments. We have good environments environments in current organizations like dev, set, pat, prod environments supporting L2, L3 rules in dev, set, pat, and prod environments and deploy the applications in all environments and implement SSL certificates in 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 dev, sit, pat, prod environments, that is self-signed and third-party certificates. Third-party certificates now installing and configuration of IBM HTTP server and plugins and resolved the out of memory issues and application slowness issues, CPU utilization, CPU utilizations, CPU utilizations. Okay, full stop, full stop. Okay, and based on the tasks we are performed the we performed the resolution within the time period or without breach SLA. We have P1, P2, P3, P4 tickets resolved the problem management tickets, task resolved the SSL errors and handshaking errors, and the 13th one changed the protocols based on the VAX versions, and 14th one successfully migrated migrated into the on premise data center servers data centers to cloud, that is AWS, by using migration service by using migration service. Okay, resolve at the AWS security groups and firewall issues, etc., and resolve at the client side error status codes, and server side error status codes, that is nothing but 404, 401, 402, 405, 500, 503. These are the first four. First four is client side errors. Last two is server side errors, starting with 500. These are the roles and responsibilities of the current organizations. Okay. After that, how to install FixPack. What are the steps you need to use in the current environment. So first, created the change task, that is normal change or emergency change request. All approvals completed. Change must and should be scheduled state. Then we will implement the change. Implement the change. In the change in the change in the change task, complete steps and rollback steps need to be provided for approvals, that is cab approvals, change authority board approvals, and application owners need to be approvals, change change manager need to be approved, and network, security approvals need to be done. Later we can implement the change window as per scheduled date. After that, log in into the server and create the folder in /opt mount point mkdir fixpack 90522 is the fixpack latest. So in this, upload the package by using WinSCP or Mobexterm and unzip the packages. Unzip the packages. Unzip the packages. After that, later we have take the backup of the all profiles cd/opt ibm websphere app server under profiles under dmgr01 under that bin we have run the following command. Run the following command /backupconfig.sh -no stop. By using this command without stop the server, we need to take backup. Okay, same command for all profiles or servers or instances. Later go to installation manager or repository.xml for offering ID that is com.ibm.websphere.nd.v90. This is the offering ID. We need to find out in the repository.xml or cd opt ibm installation manager under the Eclipse under the tools. We need to run the command. ./imcl list available packages ./imcl list available packages -repositories. This is fixpack unzip repositories, that is /opt fixpack 9.0.5.22/repository.xml. Can you like this? Can you like this? Okay, in this, so we need to find out com.ibm.websphere.nd.v90 comma com.ibm.websphere.java. We need to give the exact repositories. This is the two repositories we need to add. So Java. So after this, ./imcl install offering ID of the fixpack websphere.nd.v90 at the time of installation and fixed pack 9 version, we need to update two repositories at the same time. There is install install ND and Java at the same time. We need to install. We need to update. Okay, there is small change here. VAS 8 and VAS 9. This is the difference. Installation part and health check policies and migration discovery tools. These are the drawback. These are the differences between VAS 8 and VAS 9. com.ibm.websphere.java hyphen installation directory slash opt ibm websphere app server. Under this hyphen accept license hyphen show progress hyphen data location slash opt ibm vas comma im shared. This is the most important configurations. Hyphen repositories. In the repositories where we need to update, we need to unzip the packages 90522 comma, or we can give like this, no issues. Already we can take repository.xml. This is not mandatory to give this, okay, comma, or we can use like this also. Okay, no need to give two times, but different packages we need to give, but same packages, two repositories we can need to give like this. We already verified the commands in the real-time scenarios. After that, go to cd slash opt ibm websphere app server. Under that logs, under that post install, under that tail space hyphen 10f post install dot log. This log refers to whether it is successfully updated or not, clearly mentioned here. That is instaconf success. This is the message we can pass like this: return instaconf success slash. It will get like this in the last line. Okay, after that go to cd slash opt ibm websphere app server. Under the bin we need to run the following command: dot slash history info dot sh. Okay, this command refers to whether fix pack updated or not, verifying here later updated in the change task for testing purpose testing purpose after application is working fine, no issues, we can close the change. Otherwise, need to be rolled back. Need to be rolled back. In this history info.sh, copy old offering IDs and use, go to, if in case wrong, go to IM home. IM home means installation manager Eclipse tools. Under that tools, run the command /imcl rollback com.ibm.websphere.nd.v90 com.ibm.websphere.java-installation directory obdibm websphere app server -dl -dl, same repositories we need to give here. -sp -accept license. Okay, this is the main command to roll back. Okay, so what is the vertical wait, I will put the charging. Vertical clusters versus horizontal cluster means answer. In a horizontal cluster, there is there is failover controls. There is failover controls and the high availability ability, etc. Okay. After that, if any server is down, if any server will be down due to some reasons, due to some reasons, the business or application will not be stopped state, stopping state, stopping state. Okay. Application installed in the different application installed in the different servers. Okay, in vertical cluster, in vertical cluster there is no failover controls, comma, high availability, no high availability if any hardware failures or power related issues like ICD and etc. in the laptop or computers, desktop or data centers. Okay, and the business or applications will be down or business will be lost. Okay, this is horizontal cluster. Okay, what is symmetric clusters? Symmetric cluster. In the symmetric cluster, in the symmetric cluster, there is there is there is one backup of the node availability due to due to some reasons. All data centers, all servers may have may or may not be up. These will be benefits for this. Okay, this is the symmetric cluster. One node backup is available, or one server is backup is available due to some reasons. When any server is down, we have up the servers, backup servers. We can keep it down. We can keep it some data centers or dematerialized zones. Okay, that is very use. After this, what is the data connection properties? Data connection, nothing but data source connection pool properties. Data source connection pool properties. Okay, in the data source, connection pool properties have first one, minimum connections is equal to 1, maximum connections is equal to 10 or 5 based on the requirements, or connection timeout is equal to 180 milliseconds, and reap time 1800. After this, unused connections 180. After this, purge policy, either this. There is one drop down list is available. One is failed connections. After this, entire connection pool. Okay, this is the main data source scenarios. Okay, after this, there is one main properties are available. all jar files are located, that is all jar files nothing but JDBC, Java Database Connectivity jar files. This is OPT, that is slash OPT IBM WebSphere app server, comma, universal drivers, comma, lib. In the lib, we can paste all jar files, whole JDBC 8.jar, SQL, JDBC 42.jar or DB2, JC, DB2, JDBC or JDBC.jar or DB2 JCC.jar. You can get these two jar files. We need to place in the DB2 environment or SQL environment, and a database Oracle 1521 is the port number. MySQL 3306, RDP port number 3389 is the port number. SSH 22, okay, and SQL Server 1433 is the port number, okay, and DB2 50,000 is the port number, and CyberArk 1858 is the port number. These all are important. Remember this. Okay. After this, what is the use of SFTP and SMTP protocols. SFTP means, okay, secure file transfer protocol, and SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. Okay, so in last 2-3 videos back, I configure SMTP by using simple mail transfer protocol. That is one scenarios. I will show you that scenario. I have Windows server. Any doubts, please mention the comment section. Go to security, SSL certificate and management. There is manage certification authority. See here, this is the SFTP protocols. Okay, can start if any expired certificate, we get email notifications by using simple mail transfer protocols. This is simple mail transfer protocols. Okay, like this. So my servers are not started, so it will get some errors something like this. Okay, okay, it will update December 29th. Okay, certificate automatic renewal. Okay, see, December 29th notifications. I will verify my mobile notification is available or not. Yes, I received the notifications. Your certificate is expires. Okay, I received the notification. Certificate is expired. Email alert. Your certification is expires. In this message log, see, this is SMTP simple mail transfer protocol server. Okay, message log. Okay, like this, you can configure. Okay, so here 587 is the SMTP port number. Okay, how to how to implement SSL or renew the SSL. For I have one self-sign certificate is there. I will renew the self-sign certificate. Go to key store and certificates. Assume that my self-sign certificate is expired. So I go to the key store and certificates. Go to self default key stores, personal certificates. Under that October 25. So create signed certificate. My Gmail set. Common name is IT Middleware Technologies Organization IBM, Organization Unit IBM, and country US. So these are not required. If you require this, you can use ciphers and email protection and server authentication and client. Apply, save changes. Okay, okay. select old certificate and replace and delete old signers after the replacement. Okay, done. After that, select renew. Completed November 30, 2024 to November 30, 2025. This is latest certificate. Okay, this is signed certificate. Press only one time, not two, three times. It will get error. Say this is my D, and before that, we can take backup. Okay, take backup of trust.p12, comma key.p12, comma security.xml files cp space -pr key.p12 key.p12 underscore bkp cp space -pr trust.p12 trust.p12 underscore bkp cp space -pr security.xml security.xml underscore bkp. It will get like this. After that, extract the old certificate before renewal the certificate. Okay, this is the thing happened. Okay, eighth one, how to install VAS product by using installation manager. We will install or update or rollback or accept license, etc. Any IBM product we need to install or update by using installation manager only. After that, create an folder in slash opt mount point mkdir vas. After that, upload the packages and unzip packages later. Go to installation manager, eclipse slash tools, find out offering id of the vas dot slash imcl list available packages hyphen repositories slash opt vas repository.xml. We need to find out com.ibm.websphere.nd.v90 com.ibm.websphere.java dot slash imcl install. There is nd offering id space java offering id hyphen installation directory slash opt ibm websphere app server hyphen dl data location opt ibm was im shared. If you delete this folder, no, if VAS product is not able to run properly, hyphen repositories slash opt VAS repositories dot config. Okay, this is the main command. After this, after successfully install, 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. Like this, it will get installed the com.ibm.websphere.nd.p90 com.ibm.websphere.java in slash opt ibm websphere app server installed in this location. Installed in this location. We can verify now. Like this, it will get the message. Like this, it will get the message. Okay, cd opt ibm websphere app server under the bin. We need to run the command dot to slash history info dot sh or dot to slash version info dot sh. Okay, like this, it will get. So after this, ninth one, what is the static versus dynamic content? Simply, web container displays the static pages in the web container consists of JSPs and servlets. These are client side packages. So client side means application level. Application means static pages delivers, and EJB container consists of consists of consists of EJBs EJBs, that is session bean, entity bean, data driven bean, etc. Okay, and one more time. Oh, it will leave high HS displays the static pages, and application server displays the dynamic pages simultaneously. Okay, like this. And what is the incident? What is the incident? And priority, tell me the priorities of the incidents and incident incident suddenly occurs when business runs in the incident priorities is that is P1 comma P2 comma P3 comma P4 P4 some some of the incidents are reserved some of the incident are reserved. Okay. And mm, what are the logs verifies if issue happens in P1 slash P2 issues. Recently, we are resolved one P1 issues, that is that is that is that is synchronization is not happens. Synchronization is not happens, and telnet also not happens. Issue with LDAP. Okay, after some time LDAP issue is resolved. LDAP issue is resolved. Okay, after some time LDAP issue is resolved. Later, we are planned to sync the node. We are getting the issues. We are verified in the sync node.log. In the log clearly displays the error messages. What is the error message? SSL certificate was expired September 2024. Sorry, November 30, 2024. We are renewal the SSL certificate immediately. This is the latest issues we are faced in the real-time scenarios. This is the latest questions. Okay. Okay. This is the main interview questions. Okay. stop manager dot bat. So we can close. Okay. Thank you for watching this. You can close the session. Okay. You can pass the video to your friends and family members, share and subscribe the channel. Okay. Stop the streaming. If any interview questions, please let me know. We are find outing answers and we can deliver the video.